Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy domain and hosting on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorials, we would like to buy domain and hosting. So of course, if you want to do that, we'll have simply click add this website and hosting to buy a hosting. If we would like to buy a domain, we can simply type the domain that we would like to buy here. Let's say, as an example, the domain that you want is, I don't know, like stay maybe or stay02 or something like that. Search domain. Of course, you can type whatever domain you want, and as you can see, they will give you the best deal. If the .com is taken, you can actually overtake it, but it's gonna be a bit higher. And once you get your domain, of course, you can add it to cart and go and buy it. You can just go and do the same for web hosting, or you can just click at websites and hosting, then simply click at web hosting, so you can buy your hosting as well. Let's just wait for the page of hosting until it loads. And as you can see here, you will find all the plans for hosting. As you can see here, we have here four. You can just read the benefits of every plan. Of course, you paid more, you will get more benefits as usual and as everybody knows. So if you want one of those, just click on buy now, and then they will take you directly into your card. So just go and enter your card information or bank information or PayPal information, and you will be able to buy it. Simple as that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.